Deep inside every atom lies a universe of immense tension. The nucleus, a dense cluster of protons and neutrons, is a battleground. Positively charged protons desperately try to push each other apart while the strong nuclear force binds them together. Stability is a delicate balancing act, a precise ratio of neutrons to protons. When this ratio is off, the nucleus is unstable, and it seeks a new equilibrium. This quest for stability is what we call radioactivity. An unstable nucleus sheds excess energy and particles in a process called radioactive decay. It might eject an alpha particle, which is a helium nucleus, or transform a neutron into a proton by releasing a beta particle. Sometimes it just releases a burst of pure energy, a gamma ray. Each type of decay is a step towards a more stable existence for the atom. This process isn't chaotic, it's incredibly predictable. We measure it using a concept called half-life, the time it takes for exactly half of a radioactive sample to decay. For carbon-14, that's about 5,730 years. This reliable atomic clock allows archaeologists to date ancient organic artifacts with stunning accuracy, peering thousands of years into the past by measuring what's left. But we don't just observe this phenomenon, we harness it. We can trigger nuclear reactions like fission, where a heavy nucleus is split to release a tremendous amount of energy, powering entire cities. The same principles of decay are used in medicine. Doctors use radioisotopes with short half-lives in PET scans to detect diseases like cancer, tracking their journey through the body. From sterilizing medical equipment to exploring the cosmos, nuclear chemistry is a silent, powerful force in our modern world. It's a profound reminder that by understanding the smallest parts of our universe, we gain the tools to transform our own.